Good day everybody, I'm Ig, your host for today. Just a recap, we have done the review for the Honda HR-V E and RS variant back in July and the test drive session for the V variant in August. And for today's video, I'm going to do an in-depth review for another HR-V variant. Introducing Honda HR-V S variant. Before we proceed, please help me by press that subscribe button and comment hashtag THG giveaway to win the Samsung Watch 4. We will do the lucky draw when we reach 1000 subscribers. So share the good news to your friends and families now. Malaysia is such a unique country. We are the only country in the world that receive 3 engine choices for Honda HR-V. The other market receive either NA or turbo or hybrid only, while Malaysian have the luxury to choose between those 3. The S variant is equipped with the L15 engine that is found in the latest Honda City. Surprisingly, the performance figure is similar. The engine is rated at 121 horsepower with 145 Nm of torque. As the HR-V is slightly bigger and heavier compared to the Honda City, the century sprint is clocked at 12.1 seconds for HR-V, while the City is clocked at 10.2 seconds. 2 second difference is really not much, but the numbers matter. All petrol variant of HR-V is also equipped with CVT gearbox except the hybrid variant. On paper, Honda City is much more longer at 4.5 meter while the HR-V is 4.3 meter length. The wheelbase dimension are also quite similar for both models, but the HR-V have an extra 10mm at 2610mm while the City wheelbase is at 2600mm. For the width of the car, Honda HR-V is much bigger at 1790mm while Honda City width is at 1748mm. On the front fascia, the S variant received the horizontal bar grille design, which is different from what the E, V and RS variant get. On the side, the S variant is equipped with the 17-inch 6-spoke 2-tone alloy wheels, which is similar design with the HR-V E variant. Now, let's have a look at the rear side. Basically, the rear side of the car is similar to the other variant with the newly designed tail light, which look modern and fresh. Some might say it does look similar to the other brand, but for us at the Honda guys, if it's look good, then why not? Inside, the S variant missing quite a few things from the upper variant. Start from the steering wheel. It doesn't equip with the pedal shifter, where the E and V have. There is also the analog instrument cluster with 4.2-inch multi-info display smack in the middle between the 2 analog meter. Near the electric parking brake, the drive mode selector is missing and it is replaced with the Econ button instead. The seat material is fabric, similar to the E variant, which for me not that bad, and it doesn't look very bad or lacking. It is just nice. The rear aircon vent are also standard for all variants, together with this multi-seat or ultra seat, where you can arrange the seat according to your need. Hello and good day everybody, I'm Ig from the Honda guys. I would like to announce to all of you that we just reached 500 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and we will be giving away this Samsung Watch 4 only when we reach 1000 subscribers. To join this giveaway contest, first you need to subscribe to our channel, and second, comment THG giveaway on our upcoming video, and third, share this video to your friends and families. So what are you guys waiting for? Do it now. This is my first time driving the Honda HR-V S variant, and yes, I do feel skeptical about the 1.5 litre Dodge i-VTEC engine, which produce quite low power output to move this medium-sized SUV. In a start-stop situation, I can feel the HR-V is a little bit lazy, and you might need to give the accelerator an extra force to get the torque. Mind you that the engine is not a bad engine. I'm a happy user with the L15A engine that is installed in my wife's 2013 Honda City. If I'm driving in the S mode on the City, I can feel the engine is more lively, as it will change the gear at 5,500 RPM. But after it reaches 170 to 180 km per hour, you can feel the city will become lazy and the torque is reduced and it is struggle to reach 5,000 RPM. But in HRV, the engine with code L15Z is the latest L15 variant that comes with slightly higher compression at 10.6 to 1 compared to 10.4 to 1 on my wife's city. Once the engine get the HRV moving, then everything seems easy after that. Even though I'm not a big fan of CVT, but I have to accept that CVT is much more efficient in finding a correct gear ratio compared to the conventional gearbox. Yes, you can hear the engine scream at first when you press the accelerator harder, but once you feel the bite, the car will move freely as it is equipped with a bigger engine. Basically with CVT, you just need to be gentle on the accelerator as the system will engage correct gear ratio at all time. And once you feel the gear bite, you can release the pedal a little bit and let the engine do all its job. On the handling side, I have no comment about it. As I mentioned in our previous video, the front is using the McPherson strut while the rear are using a torsion beam setup. No complaint on the car drivability as well, as the car size is just like the Honda City, except it is on a bigger and higher setting. On paper, some people said that this NA version is much more faster than the top variant RS, with Honda claim that this NA version can go up to 187 km per hour, while the RS is maxed out at 170 km per hour. And to remind all of you that this number means nothing. For me, the best cruising speed is between 140 to 160 km per hour. You are driving a family car, by the way, with most of the time your family will be the one sitting behind. On fuel consumption side, Honda claim 5.9 litre per 100 km, while the Honda City makes 5.4 litre per 100 km. Quite reasonable for SUV, and the most important is it is also depends on how you guys drive as well. And lastly is the price tag. Honda HRV S variant is priced at 115,000 ringgit, which is 15,000 ringgit cheaper than the E variant. If you compare with Honda City V Sen, HRV S variant is 20,000 ringgit more expensive than the sedan. All in all, it all depends on your preference. Some people like the SUV presence and some people like the conventional sedan. And if you ask for my opinion, I'll go for anything with hybrid, as it is much more greener and use less fuel. Another thing to remind all of you that please remember to subscribe to this channel and comment hashtag THG giveaway for a chance to win the Samsung Watch 4. And we will do the lucky draw only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. Around 250 more to achieve the target. So please share the news to your friends and families as well. Signing off from this week's video with the Honda HRV S variant. I'm Ig, the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. See you guys next time. Bye bye.